The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Charles County in southern Maryland, eastern Stafford County in northern Virginia, King George County in central Virginia, northeastern Spotsylvania County in central Virginia, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles southeast of Quantico to near Stafford, moving south at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Stafford, King George, Dahlgren, Quantico, Fairview Beach, Potomac Creek, Nanjemoy Creek, Aquia Creek, Paspinzi, Stones Corner, Wheatonville, Nind, Garrisonville, Ironsides, White Oak, Sealston, Bertheville, Jersey, Dogue, and Leland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.